I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious donuts. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. Begin by gently warming your milk to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar and your yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy, indicating the yeast is active and ready to go. Once your yeast is active, combine it with the remaining wet ingredients and gradually add to your dry mixture. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, transfer the dough to a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it proof in a warm spot. It should double in size, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. After the dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes and holes. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip each donut into the glaze, allowing the excess to drip off, then place them on a wire rack to set. These homemade treats are best enjoyed fresh. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.